Hello. I wanted to spend a little bit of time today talking about how you can get the most out of this class. So we have a really diverse group of people in creative writing. There are some people in the class who are published writers. There are some people who have never done any creative writing before. And then there's everyone in between. Some of you love to write but don't like to read. Some of you love to read but haven't done a lot of writing. We are just sort of this mix of people with different experiences and talents and things to work on. So it's actually perfect. This is what I love so much about a class like this. We have such a great, diverse group of people, and we can really learn from each other. So, whatever your strengths are, I hope that you share them with the group because we need you. And whatever your weaknesses are, be open. Learn from each other, learn from the content in the course, and push yourself to be outside of your comfort zone. You never know what you might find there when it comes to creativity. Okay, so how can you get the most out of this course? Knowing what I just told you, I have to create assignments that will sort of touch everybody from the whole gamut of experience and understanding. So some of the stuff you might already know, some of the stuff you might have never heard about, and all of this is okay. To sort of, I try to have a range of assignments and a range of levels so that people can find where they fit in and and do the work there. But I think the most important thing to get the most out of this class is to interact with me and interact with your peers as much as you can. So this means in things like discussions, try to really connect with people, and you can even connect with people outside of the class, outside of the online classroom if you want to, and connect with me through maybe submission comments when I'm grading your stuff. We can write notes back and forth about your work. You will probably learn a lot and get a lot of feedback from grades. So that's where I'll be commenting on your work and pointing out things that are your strengths, pointing out areas for growth, and maybe things to experiment with and try to push you. No matter who you are in this class, I will be complimenting your strengths and pushing you to continue to evolve because that's what this is all about. Pushing your creativity and trying new things and having fun with it all semester long. The other thing you can do is schedule meetings with me where we can talk about your process, your work, struggles that you're having in the class, things that are going well in the class. I'm happy to meet with you one-on-one, and that's where you might get a lot of support and learning and support this semester for wherever you are in the process and get the most out of the class. So overall, just to sum up, we have a diverse group. We have so much to learn from each other. I'm excited to learn from you all too. And to get the most out of this class, it's all about connecting and learning from each other and reaching out to me if you need help or if you just want to chat about an aspect of your process or your writing. All right, can't wait to see more of your stuff.